and welcome to my channel. I am all geared up, packed up. I do like to travel light, and I'm off to India. Yes! So I'm all prepared because I am going to see my parents and it's freezing there. So I'm all geared up. I'm extremely excited and I thought I will try and do this a little bit better this time and take you along with me from the minute go. So I'm here in my kitchen and I am off to get on a train to get to the airport. So let's go before we miss the train. So I have arrived at the station. I've got myself a little coffee and I'm gonna take the train into London and then I have to change. But first things first, get myself to London. So I have arrived at the airport and I've checked in just to sit and have some food. And I always tend to stop at Cardamom because I love it. Feels like the start of the trip. So here I am with my catchy grill. Extra hot. Actually see extra chili in here. So just before I take the flight, I'm gonna get a coffee, and the only place I can see is actually Starbucks, and I personally think that's the worst coffee ever. But that's the only one available, so I'm gonna go get one before I get on the flight. So here's my coffee and a slice of lemon loaf. I really fancied a little bit of cake, and it's a night flight. Not a big fan because you can't sleep, you can't stay up, and you get there all really tired. But at least I'm going to India, so I can't complain, can I? Cheers. That is jackfruit biryani and it's got jackfruit pieces. It is absolutely delicious. Obviously I won't complain, but that is amazing. I landed in Mumbai. I have got 4 hours of wait and then I've got my connecting flight to Jabalpur. So I have checked in and I am in the domestic airport. The good thing about being in India is that you're going to find good chai anywhere. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. Chai. I haven't been to Mumbai domestic airport in years. Choices are incredible. Like you name it and it's here. So there's lots of options. There are sandwiches. There are Indian cheese puffs. Guys, I have gone for idli vada combo. Idlis, vada, sambar, chutney and chai. And now I have to wait for a couple of hours for my connecting flight to Jabalpur. So I have just arrived in Jabalpur and I think I left home at 10 a.m. yesterday and it's 1 p.m. the next day. So I haven't slept and I'm looking forward to seeing my parents. So the sun's shining. It's not as cold as my mom told me it would be. So that's a relief. Almost home, but here this is one of the sweet shops we used to buy lots of sweets from. And here it is. So I've just arrived and a carpet guy has come to sell the carpets. How cool. Doorstep shopping. Right, I am showered and ready and mum is making me lunch. Let me show you what she's cooking. So she is making one of my favorites, methi aloo paratha, and she's taken out fresh white makhan this morning. Karela, sugar, this is fresh cauliflower achar she's put in this season. I really wish there was a smellometer because that smells insane. So I'm going to eat it with fresh white butter, homemade, fresh cauliflower pickle and the paratha. Yay! And this, my friends, is pure heaven. This is good roti. It has come from my mom's neighbor's house. It's with jaggery. So it's like a sweet roti. Here it is broken up. Inside it's like jaggery. This is delicious. It's got sesame seeds, jaggery. I need to put this in my next book. So after a little bit of rest, we have come out to the shops because we are going to just drive around and then we're going to get something to eat. Look at the evening market. Busy, busy, busy. Stopping at a namkeen stop where you get lots of savory items. I'm trying some. Look at the variety of Bombay mixes, all freshly made, packed for you. Look at that stuff. I want a pack of each. There is street food everywhere, and this is a busy time for street food hunters. We are now going to my favorite chaat spot stall in the whole wide world, which is in Jabalpur. Hopefully it's open and hopefully I can get some chaat from it. This is the famous Prakash chaat, which is incredible. And I've had this chaat since I was very, very little. Making a tikki chaat, so there's tikki, all the chutneys, yogurt. That pan was the final thing to eat for day one. It's been a long day and a half and we're home. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. I know I didn't have the mics, but I will try and do better for the next one. So join me for day 2 of me being in India. And yeah, I'm quite happy and full. And oh, there, lights on. See you guys soon.